Today we will discuss about some images properties and especially properties of the images formed by plane mirrors. Plane mirror forms a unique image of a point object or any object. All the reflected rays are meet at the same position and all the observers will see the same point, same image point, वो कहीं पर भी हो. Plane mirror forms the virtual image of a real object and real image for the virtual object. Always see the figure. When reflected or refracted rays converge at a point that is real, it is the real image, and when appear to come from a certain point that is an imaginary point, that is imaginary image. Real image can be observed or taken on a screen, while we cannot take virtual images on the screen. Real images formed on the side where reflected or refracted rays exist, and virtual images on the back side of the mirror or the object side in the case of refraction. Real image of a real object is erect, inverted with respect to object. Real image of a virtual object is inverted, erect. The virtual image of a real object is erect, and virtual image of a virtual object is inverted. The real, virtual are inverted. For the properties of the images of spherical mirrors, wait for the next video. Thanks for watching.